Bro, like so for Nana Sopara, like do you need a passport or something like?
रेडी होगी क्या बच्ची?
Who's the more pampered one? You or your brother?
A dog.
My dad's a Chembur boy. Dadi's house has been like the most memorable food. But the fish curry is like iconic. The fish pieces are like huge. My school friends all got like a bad stomach and me and Kushi were like eating very calmly कि क्या हुआ?
आज के संडे ब्रंच में हमारे दो गेस्ट हैं जो बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है. अ बैंड्रा में बॉलीवुड इनसाइडर एंड अ स्टार किड शनाया कपूर.
अरे आवाज नीचे रख समझ.
दूसरी तरफ है एन आउटसाइडर प्योर मेथड एक्टर फ्रॉम जमशेदपुर आदर्श गौरव.
That's hard, bro.
चलो आज हम करेंगे रोल रिवर्सल. सो यू हैव टू बी अ सोबो बेब एंड यू हैव टू बी अ नाला सोपारा मवाली बॉय.
Whoa, Adarsh is gonna kill it. I don't know what to say.
What's the question?
He's already in a sobo mode.
Are you out of your mind? Bro, pickle and paddle is not the same, bro. Have you gone to like Japan and shit and played that sport? It's crazy, bro. Mad.
Adarsh bus. Nala Sopara will have a lot to catch up.
We are going to have a delicious Sunday brunch with sushi, lotus stem, Thai green curry, spicy chicken wings for Shania and me, while Adarsh will have a cooling curd rice.
ठंडा लगता है पेट में.
When you're about to go for your death sentence, you get to wish for your last meal.
She chose the criminal who ate hamburgers and fries. Am I allowed to choose two things? How Domino's used to make their cheese burst pizza 10 years ago, and a plate of pani puri from my favorite pani puri vendor in Jamshedpur.
I don't have this like fantasy of trying these things. They have like
Yeah.
Scorpios and stuff. I don't have that.
Scorpions. Scorpion.
When?
You're thinking about star signs too
Yeah,
much.
I'm seeing. I was like, wait, what did I say so wrong?
What's your star sign?
Scorpio?
Oh no wonder.
Okay.
What's the most expensive food bill you've ever paid?
I forgot my wallet, yaar.
You know, if someone's asked me to come on a date, then okay, go for it.
Do you then offer or is it a given that
I like having a guy to like take me out on a fun
Yeah, of
day.
course.
when you go out with your friends like Ananya, Suhana and all of that, how does it work? Do you guys split the bill?
भाई लोग आज का संडे लंच बहुत रावस था. बहुत बिल्ला खाना बनाया ले इधर.
आप गए हो कभी
Yeah.
नाला सोपारा?
नहीं, नाला सफारा तो नहीं गई हूँ, but गोवंडी में तो हमने शूट भी किया था, which was quite fun. Also, another thing I noticed, I think that Sobo crowd also were very used to talking like this because we're always like here and we're talking just softly and calmly and chill, like we're just
Yeah.
talking like this. But I think in Govandi everything's so spaced out, so there's a constant throw in their voice.
That's
also.
such a good observation.
Crossing
Also, you're
more-
cutting through noise, na. In Nala Sopara, there's so
Yes,
much more
there's
noise
more
that you have to
noise,
cut
but-
through.
Okay, you're also playing influencers in this film,
Yeah.
right?
Pretty
If
sure.
not acting, Shania, and if you had to create content, what genre do you think you would be specializing in?
Honestly, I think like get ready with me reels is something I love doing.
Really?
Like I pretend like sometimes also without it like a video recorder being there obviously. You know, I did have this preconceived notion that okay, it's just like you just have to create reels. But then slowly when I was like actually seeing the process of how you make it, you're doing everything on your own, which is crazy.
So through this film, it's actually been like an experience to get to know like about the Indian underground hip hop scene. Like
Yeah.
I know so much more about hip hop now because of Ala Flopara, my character. It was a lot of fun because I learned how to rap. Like I used GarageBand to make beats.
I have a lot of questions actually, but before we get to it, let's feed you all some really good food.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm
Okay,
starving.
let's begin the Sunday brunch. We've got sushi, we've got lotus stem. We are at a restaurant called Blah.
The food actually looks really yum. I wish I could have it.
So Adarsh is not well and he's eating curd rice today while we are having all of this. Tell me, if you had to order food for each other, what would you order?
I know you have like a lot of rolls, you like a lot of Indian food, paneer is like your go-to.
Yeah, one of my go-tos for sure.
Yeah.
I know what Shania's is exactly. A hamburger
Yeah.
and some fries.
Yeah.
Because she had sent me this article which was very interesting. You had sent me, no?
Yeah, it's something.
Prison food in different countries.
Yeah.
What?
Not prison food in different countries, but like what these criminals had as their last meal.
Correct.
When you're about to go for your death sentence, they ask you what should be your, like, you know, you get to wish for your
the
last
most famous criminals in the world. And then she was like, she chose the criminal who ate hamburgers and fries. And she's like, this is how I would do. I was like, Shania, do you need to confide
He
about
was
something?
like, is everything okay?
Is
And I was
everything
like,
okay with
"Yeah."
you? It's like you're talking about like your final meal. It's some dark
Adarsh,
shit.
what would be your final meal then?
Am I allowed to choose two things?
Yes, you are.
How Domino's used to make their cheese burst pizza 10 years ago, and a plate of pani puri from my favorite pani puri vendor in Jamshedpur.
And last time you mentioned about Nidhi auntie ke aloo paratha
God, your memory.
and Loki kofta.
I'm impressed, Kamil.
Yes, thank you.
Wow.
If Nidhi auntie was
Incredible.
around, I swear I would have got
She'd
that
be
for
proud.
you.
I also love Nidhi auntie's aloo parathas. She's
Yeah.
my mom's best friend. She's
Yeah.
Punjabi, and my mom's Loki ka kofta is unbeatable.
Which dish do you really like? Any dish that your mom cooks?
Dadi's house has been like the most memorable food for the whole family, which has been like a jungly mutton pulao, fish curry at Moni Chachu's. I'm sure you've gone to Janvi's house.
Yes, I
I
have.
think you had gone for one of the. I don't know if you
I
had
saw
the
the
fish
episode.
curry, but
Yeah.
the fish curry is like iconic. The fish pieces are like huge.
Yeah.
And it's spicy.
What fish are you eating? This big?
And like really big pieces.
What? How do you eat it?
I mean, I'm exaggerating,
directly chomp on it?
but they're so spicy that once our school
Ah.
friends were like eating the fish curry and they all got like a bad stomach, and me and Kushi were like eating very calmly ki kya hua? This is so normal. Because the Kapoor house is just like that.
Everybody
We
likes spicy
Yeah,
food.
we
Really
like
spicy
spicy
food. Even the
So,
other
yeah.
Kapoors like spicy food. No?
I think so.
I watched it on their show on
Have,
Netflix.
you have all the Kapoors, those Kapoors and you Kapoors ever got together for a meal?
I'm sure I haven't, but I'm
You
sure
haven't,
I'm
okay.
sure they have. But they grew up in Chembur.
Chembur.
So-
I'm from Chembur,
Yeah,
yeah.
my dad's a Chembur boy. So
Right. चेंबूर से कोई स्टोरी सुनी है आपने अपने पापा से चाचा से?
yeah, some good fun stories. Like I said at Dadi's house.
Yeah.
I think those have been like the most memorable moments for the families, just eating together. I feel like for us, like expressing love is through food. The
Yeah.
more food, the more love is being shown.
Can I speak about a cool story I know about Chembur? There's a history podcast that I listen to on Spotify, and it talks about Mumbai 70 years ago, 60 years ago, how Mumbai used to be, geographically, culturally. And in one of those episodes, they spoke that Chembur basically used to be Chembur forest. So people, the British and the more privileged class who used to live in town, used to go to Chembur to camp. Before, I'm talking about the early 1900s, 1910s, 1920s. They used to camp there and go for tiger sightseeings and views. कुछ crazy करना है तो Chembur जाके. Hundreds of tigers wiped out completely. Malabar Hill had tigers everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah.
But where are all the crocodiles? But Powai Lake is one place where there are actually lots of crocodiles.
There are, right?
It sneaked inside the IIT campus. So one day these kids and these lecturers walked out and they saw croc walking. I sent you the video. I have lots of memories of jumping drunk into Powai Lake as
Oh,
a
really?
teenager. And we didn't know
That's
there were
where
crocs.
lots of crocodiles are by the
We didn't know that. We used to have like drunk 500 rupee bets, so full jump into Powai Lake.
Crocodiles
Yeah.
are actually really dangerous. Like I feel like sharks also as animals, they still know they're not attacking you for no reason. If you don't like come close
Blood.
to them,
The
yeah.
shark is blood.
Yeah, but even if you're in the waters with them, they're not. I don't think that they're one of those, right?
They can't.
Yeah, but
What
crocodiles are.
And you can actually counter attack a shark with your presence of mind. You can do that with a croc as well. So with a shark, you just push it down on the nose. So if it's coming at you, you do that.
Yeah, but what I'm trying to say,
But
about
with its
crocodiles-
mouth
Really?
open.
And then the shark won't attack.
No, but with its mouth open, how you want to touch them? I'm like, bro, if a shark has opened its jaw, which is this big, and if it's coming at me, how am I going to find the nose and be like, two sided?
two side.
We went to this croc farm in Thailand. Hundreds of crocs. All of them had shit bitten off. Like,
Yeah, that's-
किसी का हाथ गायब है, किसी का पैर गायब है, पूंछ गायब है.
तो किसने काटा वो?
एक दूसरे को काट रहे
एक
हैं.
दूसरे को काट
काट के उखाड़ रहे हैं. मतलब because if a croc
Really?
bites you, there's no point of like that limb won't be left anymore. Na?
Yeah.
So they're doing that to each other because they
But-
can't see properly.
But what I also read was they can actually stay hungry for really long. Like they don't
Weeks.
eat for months or
Yeah.
and then once in a while they will eat and they'll have
Because
a really
even when
good
they
meal.
eat, then they eat like a human.
They eat a buffalo. Like
Yeah.
they eat a
So
whole
big.
buffalo or a bison, then they don't have to.
But what about you guys? जब भूख लगती है, do you all get angry?
I get hangry.
You do?
Yeah, I can handle.
Are you a rice person or a roti person?
Rice.
Really?
Full on rice. I love rice.
So
you
apparently,
roti?
I'm roti. But of late, my South Indian side has been acting up the last 2 years. I mean, there is only the South Indian side. There is no other side. But I feel like I'm embracing my roots much more because I've had a shift towards rice, a preference. Where on days I consciously want to eat rice. That's never happened in my life. I'm turning into my dad.
Have you ever had crocodile meat though?
What?
Oh my gosh,
Vegetarian.
Oh, you are a vegetarian. But it's a delicacy in Australia apparently.
That's crazy. I don't know. I don't have this like fantasy of trying these things. You know, I know people like go when they travel abroad. They have like
Yeah.
Scorpios and stuff. I don't have that.
Scorpios.
Where
Scorpion.
in China, I think people
Yeah.
when they travel
Yeah.
and all they eat
Scorpions.
Scorpios. Yeah,
Yeah.
scorpions. What was I saying?
Said
wrong?
Scorpio.
Oh,
Scorpions, yeah. Scorpions,
Scorpions.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
oh yeah, I said Scorpio.
See, you're thinking about star signs too
yeah,
much.
yeah, I was thinking about star signs too much. I was like, wait, what did I say so wrong? And then you were just like Scorpio.
It's also because we
Scorpio.
spoke
And I was
about
like,
star sign at the podcast, right? So,
Yeah.
must have.
What's your star sign?
Scorpio.
Oh, no.
Okay. What's yours?
I'm a cusp actually between an Aquarian and a Piscean. So,
What month does that make?
20th of February is when my birthday is.
What do you do for your birthdays? Like, what kind of
Yeah, you're a birthday
are you?
person.
Growing up, I would celebrate like every birthday of mine. But last 5 to 6 years, I haven't been celebrating.
But what's your
Too
style
much.
of celebrating? Is it a party?
Yeah, it's like
friends
a
and-
party.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm not such
What
a
about
birthday
you?
person.
No?
No,
Yeah,
are you?
told me.
Yeah, are you? You are.
I am, but I like to be just with my partner in like some place which doesn't have network. Preferably like a jungle kind of a situation.
But no party as such.
No parties.
No. But even if it's like a milestone birthday, like a 30th birthday or your.
I didn't celebrate. No, we had a small mini celebration for my 30th in Bangkok. I was filming for Alien. Just some of my crewmates, castmates, really, but nothing big.
When is your birthday, by the way?
8th of July.
8th of July.
Cancerian.
What about you, Shania? How do you like to celebrate your birthdays?
I just like traveling again, like similar-ish. I just like disconnecting a little bit and just doing my own thing. Not having. Sometimes I feel like it's a pressure to like celebrate. I feel more nervous. So then I feel like that my day is not about me, then it's about like making sure everyone's having
a good
fun, which
Yeah.
stresses me out, and then they want me to have fun, so that's also stressing me out. Because I'm like, I just want to watch a movie, like I just want to like, I don't want to do anything.
So, Adarsh, you are the only child, right?
No, I have an elder brother.
Oh, you have. Okay.
Yeah, he is 7 years older than
You,
me.
that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
You want some?
No, thank you.
And he is a banker. He used to work with Standard Chartered first and then another bank called Rabobank in Singapore.
What about you? You are the
I'm
older
the
one.
old one.
Okay.
I have a younger brother, Jahan.
Okay.
You don't
Actually-
have an older sister energy though.
Yeah, I don't, right?
You don't have older sister energy.
No.
Maybe it'll come out when I see you with your brother. I
I
need to
guess.
see you with
Yeah.
Zahan to see that side of it.
Yeah.
But who's the more pampered one? You or your brother?
But her dog.
True. I think my dog is. But no, I think Jahan is definitely more pampered. He's more pampered than me for sure.
That's
Okay.
what
and also
my
my parents were way more strict with me than they are with Jahan. Like Jahan can just go out till whatever time he wants, and I had a deadline. Like, and
Yeah.
if I missed that deadline, my phone used to be taken away and all. It was
Really?
Yep.
Yeah,
Who's
yeah.
more strict, your mom or dad?
my dad. With me, my dad was way more strict. But with Jahan, no one is strict.
Yeah.
You know, my mom and me were having this conversation where we were just talking about my childhood, certain things, and she sent me this post which was really beautiful, where she was like, when you start looking at parents as humans first and parents second, you realize that there are also people who've just made mistakes. People are trying to do the right thing for the first time in their life.
Yeah.
Like, imagine being a 24, 23-year-old
Yeah.
with a baby in front of you, and you're like, what the hell do I do with this? How do I take care of this being
Yeah.
now? That's why with older siblings, I feel like parents are different then. Because they learn.
True.
They learn. They get better with the second one.
They figure it out.
Always.
So more chill with you, your parents?
Super chill. I feel like I really lucked out. And you know, I'm so glad that my mom gave me that freedom where she was like, in spite of going to a Hindi medium school, being raised in Jamshedpur, she's a prolific speaker, poet, artist, everything, but she actually worked for an insurance company.
Oh. And it's amazing how the entire family moved to Mumbai. Was that for your acting career or was it?
Not purely for my, actually there was no acting career, it was my singing career.
Oh.
So my dad got transferred to Bombay.
Huh.
He used to work for Central Bank of India, and he applied for a position here and he got it. And he said, "Let's move the family because Mumbai में Adarsh को भी opportunities मिलेंगे ना to explore music." So I started my career as a playback singer. I sang for 2 films when I was 13 years old in the chorus with Sukhwinder Singh and Ilai Raja, if you know Ilai Raja.
Yes, yes. Oh, wow.
So that's how I started, and then acting was like I was discovered on stage singing, and I was asked if I wanted to act.
No ways.
It's crazy.
And what was
So
your first
cool.
acting? Like, was it a commercial?
My first acting experience was being on my school play, annual day play. It was called Adventures of Don Quixote. But my first screen acting job was My Name is Khan, the young Shah.
Oh.
And did you always want to be an actor growing up?
Yeah, I always wanted to be an actor. I didn't have anything else in my mind. Like, this was pretty much it. But there was no like moment where I went to my parents and I was like, okay, mom and dad, मुझे अभी actor बनना है. वो ऐसे तो था नहीं. You know, it was like kind of seen in how I was, what I was more inclined towards. Like, I was very inclined towards watching films, like going for like theatre, for going for classes. I was very outspoken, like just things like that you kind of figured out.
Do you have a favorite play that you read in school?
Jekyll and Hyde was something very special because that was like my first like major play that I read in
Jekyll and
English.
Hyde?
Yeah.
And
So
did you
it was
play one of
quite
the
fun.
titular characters?
No, I didn't. I used to always play like the background person. Cinderella also, I was not Cinderella. Like I auditioned for it, I didn't get the part, and then I decided to be like the backstage manager of handling the entire play. So handling the lights, changing the props, like in between intervals, moving the sets here and there. So I just loved
Fun.
being on stage, loved performing, loved creating my own plays.
And then you eventually
It's quite
also attract a group like your friends, what we see on the internet, like your friends with Ananya, Suhana, all of them again in the industry. Was the friendship always there or did it evolve over a period of time when the interest was common?
No, it was always there. I mean, we grew up together, so it was, it was nothing that because of our work that we
Yeah.
got closer. We were close throughout. And also our parents are close. So it's
Yeah.
just like family friends. I'm sure you also kind of have
Yeah.
friends that you've grown
I also
up
grew
with.
up with them actually.
No, but actually you must be having friends, right? That
I did.
you've grown up with. So it's just this.
I did.
He was just telling me he's changed about 13 homes in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So you know Mumbai pretty well.
I can say that.
Which college did you go to?
I didn't go to college.
Oh, you didn't go to college. Okay. So Naya, if I check your phone right now, what would be the screen time?
The screen time.
Yeah.
Right now doing promotions a lot, like probably like 6 hours, but usually it's like 1 hour, 2 hours.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? 1 hour?
Usually, if it's not
What's
promotion and no
Ananya's
work,
27 hours? Can I say something that I just remembered? That it's insane that Ananya is always online, yet she's able to do so much. Like, I'm like, how are you always online and replying to my message? She's insane.
Yeah.
Ananya's
Yeah.
like so high functional, it's crazy.
yeah.
You spent only 1 hour, yeah?
Yeah,
That's
I mean,
amazing.
otherwise, if it's not promotion time, I genuinely barely like want to check my phone.
I'm going to ask you all some questions. Honest confessions, honest answers you all have to give me. The fakest compliment you've received from someone in the industry.
But how would we know it's fake?
No, I always
Like,
know when it's fake.
Really?
Yeah. I find it really funny and diabolically funny when after screenings and premieres, the cast, the director, and the audience, when they interact, it's one of the most awkward things I've ever seen. Because, like, if you don't like the film, which is true in a lot of cases, you still can't say that truth because the film has been made.
Yeah.
So I don't see a point in immediately telling somebody that I did not like your film. Maybe 2 months later, when they've processed it, I can have a more civil conversation. But that exchange of, oh my god, like you've done it again, so good, and like hugging, and like I just know that they're just being polite.
Really?
What's the most expensive food bill you've ever paid?
There's this restaurant called Wasabi, which is in
BKC.
Taj.
Oh, Taj.
And I was shocked.
What was it? Tell
It
us.
was really a lot. But I was on a date, so I didn't, like, luckily. So
I forgot my wallet, yaar. Can you please? You also do
no,
this?
I don't know. I don't say
Can
I
I-
forgot my wallet, but
I thought
it's
that
like,
was
if someone's asked me to come on a date, then
how
it's like
unladylike of you.
it's the first date, then okay, go for it.
Do you then offer or is it a given that of course you
No,
will
of course
pay?
I offer. I'm not like a weirdo. Like,
Are you like, where's the washroom?
I like having a guy to like take me out on a fun
Yeah, of
day,
course.
and I love
Yeah.
it.
Even I like-
I'm not gonna lie and be like I don't
Yeah.
enjoy it. I want a guy to like spoil me and make me have a good time.
Same. I also want that. It's never happened. But I genuinely want that.
So yeah, that was a bit like whoa, like I was like shit.
Now 1 lakh.
No. It was not like that. It was food. ऐसे लग रहा कि हम like we're eating some gold or something.
But when you go out with your friends, like Ananya, Suhana, and all of that. How does it work? Do you guys split the bill?
Yeah, of course. Wherever we go, it's like a given. It's pretty like standard. Or in case if someone's taken today's meal, then okay, we're gonna be going out next week again. So then you
Have
get
you
that.
ever been like in a situation where you've forgotten and you're like, keep my watch or keep like my earring,
What?
or you know how in films they show like बहुत
Give
बड़े
what?
बिल आ जाते हैं, oh shit यार I forgot, but you know what, I'm good for this, and they will just give their earring or their watch.
No, I mean, I hope my friends trust me that much that I'll give it later or something. Then I have to like, it's not like
No,
some,
no, not your friends, I'm saying
Oh.
the restaurant manager.
oh, like
Yeah.
no one has anything.
Yeah. Have you been in that situation?
No.
Have you ever dined and dashed?
No, but I've stolen like candy and all from like a theatre. Like, I've
Yeah.
stolen just for fun.
I just knew it.
And never got caught.
And like, I just put it in my pockets. No, I didn't get caught.
No? Okay. What about
I mean,
you?
now I'm like, maybe now.
You want to tell into the camera which hotel and restaurant?
No, it's fine.
What,
I have, like, I
what
put it in
about
my
you,
pockets.
Adar? Dine and dash?
You know, I don't have the balls to dine and dash. I would like to, but I start ethically reasoning with myself.
Yeah.
And I'm like, no, man. And then I get emotional about it. It's stupid. But I have stolen chips packets as kid. As a kid, I used to steal chips and Poppins. I was
Okay.
addicted to the Cheetos ka Tazo.
Huh.
So I used to steal the chips packet, God bless his soul, from Gupta ji's shop. It's called Swagatam. And remember, I got crazy memories with this store. And I used to steal the Cheetos packet because it had these Pokemon Tazos that I was obsessed with. And I used to steal 5 rupee coins from
तो
my
कभी
own house.
पकड़े नहीं गए?
नहीं, घर पे भी डाका डाला हूँ.
डाका डाला?
डाका डाला. वो जीतू फ्रॉम वीडियोकॉन होता है ना कि पापा मैंने नया शोरूम बोला है, अक्षय खन्ना कम पर तुम्हें पैसे कैसे मिले? आपने ही तो बोला. Like, मैंने क्या बोला? डाका डालो, चोरी करो. No, sorry, but I used to steal 5 rupee coins
हाँ.
and get marbles. And there was a point in my house where coins used to have much more value than now. Na? So you had stacks of 5 rupees, 2 rupees. My mom was like, where are all the 5 rupee coins going? Why is there never a 5 rupee coin in the house? You know? There's 2 rupees, there's 1 rupee, there's 10 rupee note. Then she realized. Then one proper dhulai I've gotten from.
What about you, bus this much?
I'll eat more.
You really, had our expectations high. I can eat a lot and a lot of rice, and here's the rice.
But मैं घर का खाना बहुत खा सकती हूँ. That is the thing. You know, there's like a little comfort in eating home. And also how I'm eating. Like I'm with my
Very well.
sweatpants, baggy t-shirt,
So amongst
hair
all
up.
you cousins, now I've already
Then
had
I
a meal
enjoy.
with Janvi and Khushi, and I can see how much they can eat.
Yeah.
And all. Good. But who's the biggest foodie amongst all of y'all?
From all the cousins, I would say Riya Didi.
Yeah.
She actually knows a lot about food, like, and she'll tell you like the best restaurant and the best recipe, serve the best food at home. So I would say actually her. Like she's a
Okay.
secret one. You feel like she doesn't know, but she knows everything.
Adarsh, you're known to do a lot of research. तो इस मूवी में आपने क्या रिसर्च किया? आप गए थे नाला सोपारा to actually see how the boys are there and rappers especially.
Yeah, I went to a bunch of places actually. I did like a whole map of Nala Supara, Govandi, Kurla, Dharavi, Andheri East, Andheri West, because all these regions have their own history of hip hop, and also phonetically they all sound different. The language that they use is different. The slangs that they use
Is
is
it? So you're
different.
saying Nala Sopara accent and language is different than Govandi?
Completely.
क्या बात? क्या
Yeah.
फर्क है बताओ?
Matlab, it depends on actually the ethnicity of people who are living there,
Okay.
the religion of people who are living there. So sometimes religion has a role to play in phonetics, right? Like if it's a place where there are more number of Muslims, then words like Aiba and all these are more common.
Yeah.
But within Dharavi only there are colonies, there are pockets, right? So there's a pocket of only Tamilians and there's a pocket of only Muslim families. There's a pocket of only Telugus. So each of these pockets within Dharavi also sound different. So the Marathi community will have their own Marathi slangs into the Mumbaiya language. So yeah, it was very important that I made that distinction in my head, and
अपने friends, did you make any friends in Nala Sopara?
all these guys are my friends now.
Yeah.
I'm in touch with most of them through my Instagram.
What did you realize about them? मतलब इतना talent है.
I realized that what I crib about sometimes or complain about sometimes, I should just honestly shut up. The bravery that these guys have shown in terms of how a lot of them have spent their childhood, some of them having to work at ages of 5 or 6, some of them facing like a lot of like so much oppression from your neighbors constantly. And in spite of that, to be living in a place where there's no electricity barely, there's no water, there's garbage everywhere, no sanitation, and to then still break out of that
Yeah.
and to choose to do what you do and become successful, can you imagine the effort it takes in that? I can't fathom it. Like, for me, I used to go there for my research and I would spend 4 hours there and come back home, switch on the AC and pass out. Like, you know, in my nice house in Versova, where I can't complain about anything. But for them, they've spent the last 30 years of their life there, and some of them actually don't want to leave. Because that's all they've ever known.
All the very best.
Thank
I'm sure it's
you.
going to be a huge success.
Thank you.
And may you have many, many crocodiles around your neck. Just the jewelry though. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Adarsh, you must have some more curd rice. You've
I will.
barely eaten.
I will,
And
thank
your
you.
We do
Thai
have
curry.
paddle also after.
It's okay. I'll digest by the time.
Yeah.
No Thai curry and rice for you.
I will.
Yeah? Okay.
But thanks, Kamya. This was so nice.
This was so
Thank you.
fun, so chill.